Ramadan is a very special month for Muslims all around the world. It is the ninth month of the Islamic calendar and is considered the holiest month. During this time, Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset, which means they do not eat or drink anything during the day. Fasting helps them feel closer to Allah and understand how poor people feel when they don't have enough food. Every day before the sun rises, families wake up early to eat a meal called suhoor. Then, they pray and start their fast. During the day, they spend time reading the Quran, praying, and doing good deeds like helping others. When the sun sets, they break their fast with a meal called iftar. This meal usually starts with dates and water, just like Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, used to do. Ramadan is also a time of kindness and giving. Muslims give charity to the poor, share food with neighbors, and try to be the best version of themselves. They also perform a special prayer at night called Taraweeh, which is prayed in the mosque. One of the most special nights in Ramadan is Laylatul Qadr, the night of power. It is believed to be the night when the Quran was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad, PBUH. It is a night full of blessings, and Muslims pray extra on this night. At the end of Ramadan, Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr, a joyful festival where they wear new clothes, visit family and friends, and enjoy delicious food. Children receive gifts and sweets, making it a happy day for everyone. Ramadan teaches patience, gratitude,